Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna to do the reaction. The reaction is a beautiful Somali the mix TikTok video. It's really amazing TikTok video. If you really like, so must subscribe. Don't forget to share and like. You are watching the reaction video. My name is Now. It's really amazing. Watch till then and follow my Instagram also. So let's check out.
I'm counting up guap, leaning my tongue, I sip at the bar. I hopped in the game, you know I'm a problem. Shoot him in the neck, pop him in the collar.
jacayl dahabo gala diiwaanka taariikhda dambana duruus reeba macantalkeeniyo dunida gaara macantalkeeniyo dunida gaara
mamusiya hees wayga mudantee way war markura dhaha maasha allah.
Wow.
شابناغود سيدي ساليمان شرمديدا قاقا شبعدا دبقا ذوي نيمان
Indian song.
kaaliyo sokeeyo sida adiga oo kale Soomaali baan ahay sijiya wadagitaan ila sabanka tiro
Baba, maxaad samaynaysaa?
ilaa intee ordi kartaa?
Haye. Ma anigaad ila tartamaysaa?
adiga maa saaxiibow holacan
Malag maa la tartamaysaa?
Wow.
filin maahane jijo joogiya qurux jamalka jirkiya iskalkaaga markaad xirantahay xijaabka nadiifka qafiifka oo aad soo marta jidka dabijiija kubkaas jileeca.
Wow. Nice, huh?
Voyez, allez, tout le monde danse.
Oh, Indian song, huh?
xaggeed ku maqnayd ka maran maxaani la hadal ka maran mashquul baanahay ka maran maslixadii joogtaa ka maran see
no guap. Leaning my tongue, I
Okay,
zip at the
guys,
bar. I
let's
hopped in the
go.
game, you know I'm a problem. Shoot him in the neck.
So this is really amazing TikTok. This is a mix Somali TikTok. So many beautiful girls and some beautiful Somali handsome guy. I really enjoyed this video. This is so nice. Wow, I really enjoy. If you like, so must subscribe and don't forget to share. So love you all. Take care. Bye bye.